Adding a comment in Excel cell is super easy. Sometimes we need to add comments to explain our users maybe how a certain formula works. In this worksheet, let's assume that the quarter 3 revenue is approximate for Microsoft, and we need to show this. To do that, right click the cell, and here we can write the data is approximate. This is the message we want to show, and we can resize the box if we need it. Resize. If we click outside, we can see a little red arrow which indicates the comment. We can edit or delete the comment by right clicking again. Here is the edit or delete comment. We can show or hide the comment from the review tab. Here we can show all comments, or we can hide the comment. So adding a comment in a cell can be a great help when we need it to show.